Have you ever wondered about the different types of eukaryotic cells? Well, in the fascinating world of biology, cells are the basic units of life, and among them, eukaryotic cells are quite the characters. These microscopic powerhouses are complex and filled with numerous structures, each with a unique role to play. At the heart of every eukaryotic cell is the nucleus, the command center housing the genetic material. Surrounding it is the cytoplasm, a jelly-like substance brimming with several specialized structures or organelles, each carrying out distinct functions. Encasing this intricate world is the cell membrane, a protective barrier controlling the passage of substances. Now, here's a twist. Not all eukaryotic cells are created equal. There are several types, each type tailored to fulfill specific roles and functions. These include animal cells, plant cells, fungal cells, and protist cells, among others. Now that we have a basic understanding of what eukaryotic cells are, let's dive into the different types. First up, we have animal cells. These fascinating structures are the fundamental units of all animal life, from the tiniest insects to the largest mammals. Imagine them as bustling cities, each with a specific role to play in keeping the organism alive and well. At the heart of these cellular cities lies the nucleus, the control center, housing the genetic blueprint that guides all cell activities. Surrounding the nucleus, we find the cytoplasm, a jelly-like substance where the cell's metabolic reactions occur. Scattered throughout the cytoplasm, we encounter various organelles, each with its unique function. The mitochondria, for instance, are the powerhouses converting nutrients into energy. Meanwhile, the endoplasmic reticulum and the Golgi apparatus work hand in hand to produce, process, and package proteins. And let's not forget the lysosomes, the cell's waste disposal system, breaking down and recycling cellular waste. Now, you might be wondering, what sets animal cells apart from other eukaryotic cells? Well, unlike plant and fungal cells, animal cells lack a cell wall, giving them a flexible shape. Additionally, they don't possess chloroplasts, the organelles responsible for photosynthesis in plant cells. Instead, animal cells rely on ingesting food to produce energy, highlighting their adaptability to diverse diets and environments. This adaptability, combined with their complex structure and function, makes animal cells fundamental to the vast biodiversity we observe in the animal kingdom. So, animal cells, with their unique features, are the building blocks of all animal life. Next, let's explore the world of plant cells. Just like animal cells, plant cells are eukaryotic, meaning they possess a nucleus and organelles within the cytoplasm. But it's the unique structures of plant cells that truly set them apart. First up, we have the cell wall. Unlike animal cells, which only have a plasma membrane, plant cells are armored with an additional layer, the cell wall. Made of cellulose, this rigid structure provides support and protection, helping the plant maintain its shape. Then, we have the chloroplasts. These are the green organelles that give plants their vibrant color. But they're not just for show. Chloroplasts are the sites of photosynthesis, the process by which plants convert sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide into glucose and oxygen. It's the plant's way of making its own food, and it's an essential process for life on Earth. Finally, there's the central vacuole. This large organelle, filled with cell sap, serves multiple functions. It not only stores nutrients and waste products, but also provides pressure against the cell wall, helping the plant maintain its structure. So, from providing structural integrity with their cell walls to generating food via photosynthesis in chloroplasts and storing essential elements in their vacuoles, plant cells are indeed a marvel of nature. That's plant cells for you, a powerhouse of photosynthesis and storage. Moving on to our third type, the fungal cells. Much like their plant counterparts, fungal cells are eukaryotic and possess a nucleus, cytoplasm, and a variety of organelles. However, what sets them apart is the presence of a unique cell wall. Instead of cellulose, which is the main component of plant cell walls, fungal cell walls are made up of a substance known as chitin. This unique composition gives fungal cells their distinct properties. Now let's delve into the functions of these fascinating cells. Fungal cells play a crucial role in nutrient absorption. They break down complex substances into simpler ones, facilitating their absorption into the ecosystem. This is why you'll often find fungi feasting on dead and decaying matter, breaking it down and returning essential nutrients back to the soil. But the role of fungal cells doesn't stop at decomposition. These cells are also deeply involved in reproduction. They produce spores, which can disperse into the environment and give rise to new fungi. Moreover, fungi are not always solo actors. Often, they form symbiotic relationships with other organisms. For instance, certain fungi and plants live together in harmony, with the fungi helping the plants absorb water and nutrients, while the plants provide the fungi with sugars. So, whether it's breaking down dead matter or partnering with plants, fungal cells serve crucial functions in our ecosystems. Fungal cells, a key player in decomposing organic matter and forming symbiotic relationships. Last but not least, let's look at the diverse world of protist cells. These little wonders are a fascinating group of eukaryotic microorganisms, showcasing an incredible range of structures and functions. Protist cells are like the jack-of-all-trades in the eukaryotic kingdom, displaying animal-like, plant-like, or even fungal-like behaviors. Structurally, protists can have features such as cilia, flagella, or pseudopodia. These structures are not just for show, they aid in movement, allowing protists to navigate their environment with ease. Some protists even have complex organelles similar to those found in animal or plant cells. Functionally, protists are just as diverse. Some are photosynthetic, harnessing the power of the sun to generate energy, much like plants. Others are parasitic, relying on host organisms for survival, and then there are the predators, hunting and consuming other microorganisms in a surprisingly animal-like manner. This diversity extends to their lifestyle as well. Protists can be unicellular, leading a solitary existence, or they can be multicellular, forming colonies that work together in a coordinated manner. So you see, protist cells are not just another type of eukaryotic cell. They are a testament to the versatility and adaptability of life, capable of taking on a multitude of roles in their ecosystems. That wraps up our journey through the world of eukaryotic cells, from animal cells to the diverse protist cells.